In today's lesson, we will be learning about pronouns. But first, what is a pronoun? Pronouns are used to replace nouns in a sentence. Let's look at an example. Mary went to the supermarket. In this sentence, Mary is the noun. Now, we can replace the word Mary with a pronoun. We will replace it with the word she. The sentence will now become, she went to the supermarket. Let's look at another example. Tom is driving a car. Tom is the noun, and we can also replace that noun with a pronoun. The pronoun we will use is he. By replacing the word Tom with the word he, we have used a pronoun to replace a noun. The sentence now becomes, he is driving a car. There are many different pronouns that one can use. A few would be he or him, she or her, they or them, it, I, you, we and us. Let's look at he and him. This is Tom. Who is he? He is Tom. Tom has been replaced by the word he. Now, we are going to give Tom a book. So, who did you give the book to? I gave the book to him. Tom has been replaced by the word him. What about she and her? Well, we will do the same as we did with Tom. This is Jenny. Who is she? She is Jenny. So, the pronoun she replaces the noun Jenny. Now, let's give Jenny a book. So, who did you give the book to? I gave the book to her. The pronoun her replaces the noun Jenny, which shows who you gave the book to. Confused as to whether to use he or him, she or her? Well, let's look at it this way. She is used when the female is the subject of the sentence, meaning they are the one performing the action. The same goes when using he. He is the male subject of the sentence performing the action. So, the easiest way to remember which one to use, he and she does the action. Him and her receive the action. Now, let's look at they and them. We use they and them as plural pronouns. So, when we speak of more than one person, again, we will use our friends, Tom and Jenny, as examples. Who are they? They are Tom and Jenny. Now, let's give them a book. Who did you give the book to? I gave the book to them. So, the easiest way to remember which one to use between they and them. They is used when speaking about the subject of a sentence. For example, they went to the store. Them is used when the pronoun is the object of the verb or a preposition. For example, I saw them at the park, or give it to them. To make it easier, I have highlighted the different parts of speech in various colors and matched those colors to specific words in the sentence. This will help you understand which part of speech each word is. Now that we have looked at he and him, she and her, and they and them, we can look at using the pronoun it. It is used to speak about objects, things, and more often than not, non-living things. But it can also be used when speaking about living things such as animals. As you can see in the examples, it is a balloon. It is a cat. It is a car. We can't say, she is a car, as it is an object and therefore has no gender. So we say, it is a car. Now, let us look at me and I. Again, these replace the noun. For example, this is me, I help you learn English. Me and I have replaced my name. By the way, my name is Teacher Sherry. You are the one watching this YouTube video. I refer to you as you. But when you refer to yourself, you wouldn't say you. You would say me or I. You can also use the word you when speaking to your friends. For example, you did well in your test today. We use the word you when we are speaking to someone. Us. We use the word us when speaking about a group of people and includes the speaker and at least one other person. It is important to note that we use the word us when we receive an action. For example, the books were given to us, or the rain made us cold. We use the word we when the group is performing the action. Again, this includes the speaker and one other person. So, for example, you, the student, and me, the teacher. We are learning together. Other examples: we are learning English today, or we ran in the rain. So, when to use we and us? We is used when the group performs the action. Us is used when the group receives the action. Remember, pronouns take the place of a noun. He, him, she, her, they, them, it, I, me, you, us, we. Thanks for joining. Remember to subscribe and continue learning English with me here on the Explore English Learning channel.